A lot of people say the eyes are the window to the soul. And today we're going to be talking about how I go through an iris analysis if you're interested to see what that looks like. So here we're taking a look at, let's call this person Jenny. And we're taking a look at her left eye here. And the first thing that I'm going to look at when I look at these pictures is the construction of the iris. So you'll notice how many of these fibers, they run back and forth. There's a density between them. They're really tight. That's going to tell me that Jenny here is very resilient. She can, should respond well to different types of treatments, but also can shoulder a lot. Now it's ironic because this can actually work against you, where you can put too much on your plate and you can actually overwork yourself. So that's something that you can see here. Now there's a few things I want to point out. You'll notice right around the pupil, which is the black spot, there is a darker ring. Now that's known as the stomach ring. Now if we go over here to our chart, you'll see this green area that's right around the pupil. And that is associated with, again, the stomach. So if that is dark, now if this was a lighter color, if it was whiter than the rest of the iris, that would mean that the stomach would be over-acidic. But usually this is a sign or potential sign of a weak stomach or weak digestion in the stomach. So questions to ask would be around things like malabsorption or maldigestion. That would be something you can get here. A couple other things, if we zoom out and you take a look, you'll notice we have the collarette around here. And you'll notice outside the collarette is a whiter color than inside the collarette. And when we see that, that's when you're thinking maybe there's some sort of lymphatic involvement. There could be some sort of over acidity. It could be a potential for an acidic body. If the lymphatic system is not able to pump through and cycle through toxins as fast as it could, then that could be a sign that something's going on. So asking about diet, are we having a lot of mucus forming foods, dairy, processed foods, processed sugars, etc., that can lead to an acidic body. Another sign that something might be going on with the lymphatic system is you'll notice there are kind of these like yellower nodules as you go around the iris here. And that could also be a sign potentially of some sort of lymphatic stagnation. So again, this could be something that's been going on for a while. There's a little bit of a yellowish hue to them, which means that it could be something chronic. So I'd ask about potential for chronic infections or a history of them. That could be playing a role. One other thing you'll notice is ideally around the stomach again, you'll notice you're getting these black kind of finger-like projections that kind of go out. Now, ideally, this should be a straight circle with nothing coming out. But if you're getting those projections, depending on where they're pointing, they could affect certain areas of the body. And this could be, again, something going on in the bowels, because if we take a look here, again, inside this red area, this is all digestion and absorption. And you'll notice inside we have the colon, small intestine, and the green is the stomach. And if we go back over here quick, you'll see we have a bunch of dark projections going up towards 12 o'clock. And what could that be affecting potentially is your hormones. So we have the pituitary, pons, and pineal glands. And those are your master controllers of your hormones. So there could be hormonal involvement too related to the gut. Now, one of the things I love about iridology is how it talks about the gut and relates the gut to every other area of the body. So this is just a quick introduction. I hope this helps. And if you want to work with me, shoot me a DM. I'll be more than happy to set up a consult with you.